Hi everyone, we are Alvin and Elizabeth from The Right Move. We are back again at one of our favourite towns, Tampines.
To feature an ultra-rare, top floor, 5-room DBSS in Central 8. Let's go! Located in the heart of Tampines, Central 8 is the newest HDB DBSS to hit its MOP that is within a stone's throw from Tampines Interchange, MRT, our Tampines Hub and its 3 shopping malls.
We are starting the tour at the lift lobby for a change today because we want to show you how rare it is to find point blocks nowadays where there's just 4 units in one lift lobby. We especially love how each unit is tucked away at its own little corner to maximize privacy. Let's head on in.
The vibe when you step into the house is one of warmth and homeliness. The homely feeling was kept in mind when designing the house. Take for example the pastel colours on the wall, the wooden features and the full feature brick wall.
Another feature that we really like is this super long 7.5 meter long wall that basically allows you to put in however big a dining table you like. Over here we have a 1.8 meter long 6-seater. As we head over to the balcony, this is where you understand why top floor corner units are so sought after. This unblocked view with full privacy and the breeze that comes with being on a very high floor. Last but not least, the unit faces south, so there's no west sun whatsoever.
Over here is a beautiful barn door that acts as a statement piece for the house, and behind it is a pleasant surprise for all you home cooks out there. A common complaint for HDB nowadays, especially DBSS like Central 8, are the sizes of the kitchen. By cleverly shifting the walls out slightly into the original dining area, they have effectively doubled the size of the original kitchen, allowing us to have a huge double-door fridge and still have plenty of space to move around.
For the rooms, we have full-height glass windows that allow plenty of natural light into the room. Over in the master, we have a really spacious walk-in wardrobe with still sufficient space for a queen-size bed. And lastly, before we go, for schools, we have Tampines Primary, 𝗦𝗟𝗘𝗓 Primary, Poi Ching Primary, and the popular St. Hilda's Primary, all within 1 km.
Thank you for joining us on this home tour today.
Do like and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful home tour videos in the future.
Bye!